Giant, in this lecture, we are going to uh, some hands-on chat GPT. Okay, so first of all, we need to visit this. Basically, this is a Wikipedia that is discussed in a last lecture of this series. Okay, so I'm going to first of all log in. Simply, you go to search box, any search box. Okay, write chat gpt.com. Select first one. Select click this. Okay, so this prompt is okay. Before this, you need to here. You need to visit here. Okay, so when you write chat GPT, then this prompt will be open. Okay, so see some options here. Okay, see this how it's look like. Okay, see this summarizing meeting, find a new insights, increase productivity. Okay, see this. Okay, nice graphical user interface of here this plan. See this plan. Get free if you get access GPT 4.1 mini. Okay, real-time data for web search engine. This is the option. Okay. When you use plus, then you need to pay $20 per month. Okay. When we want to use pro, then it 200 per month. Okay. Charge. So all this basically release three types of a GPT here. Three plan. Okay. We need to whatever when you need this, then uh, recharge yourself. Okay, recharge according to your need. Okay, basically I'm going to stay with the free version because a free version has too much things on it. Okay, but you work in a company and you work for a company, then your company use ChatGPT, then it gets some package like 200 per month. Okay, according per need. Okay, here is a login option. ChatGPT API platform Sora login option. Here is a search box. Okay, Apple and ChatGPT. Okay, at WWDC in June 2024, we announced a partnership with Apple to integrate ChatGPT into experience within iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. So ChatGPT also introduced a project on AI like a Black. I think Black Forest. I think Project Blueberry. I think we see. I am not sure, but you search it. Okay. This is Explore ChatGPT Enterprise Area Education Pricing and download. This is okay. It's app also available on Play Store. If you then if you need, then download the app. Okay, I'm going to start now. Start now. You need to sign up for free. Sign up free. Okay, you need to set your email ID and proceed. So I pause the lecture and log in and then back. Okay, we also log in with your see see I am logging successfully. It means sign up successfully. Okay, so we also uh see like this when you first time visit this chat GPT login. Okay, so click in this. Okay, let's go. Okay, don't share sensitive. We have some important information like don't share sensitive info. Okay, check your facts. Okay, ask away. ChatGPT can answer question, helps you learn by write code, brainstorm together, and much more. Okay, okay, let's go. So this how it looks like prompt. Okay, here you use a small profile. Here you turn on temporary chat. Okay, when you want to create temporary chat, then click on it. Okay, I teach you. In next lecture. All these things are included. Okay, if you want to get place, click on it. This we see prompt like this. Okay, okay. So you need to recharge according to your need. But for learning purpose, this version is free totally. Okay, or that is a GPT option upgrade. Okay, when you want to create new chat, then click on this create a new chat. Okay, search chat. This is a library. This is a Sora. Basically, create your video like things of the GPT. Yes. Okay, this is basically all tools. Here are the plus. We want to add some photo and a file, then we add from here. Okay, I do all the practical in upcoming lecture of this series. Okay, this is a tools. Okay, create an image, search the web, write our code, run deep search. Okay, think for a longer. Okay, all these things. I think you familiar about this prompt, but here is the option. See this huge voice mode. Okay, this is your ticket. If you want to not want to write a, I think here question, but you want to speak like a Alexa type, then you click on this and record your voice. Then it convert automatically into the text and search. Okay, so this is basically a revolution phase of this century. Okay, I think first of all, I ask question, who are you? Okay, then see what is this. He gives answer. Okay, who are you? Okay, see, I am ChatGPT, an AI developed by OpenAI. Okay, I am here to help you with wide range of tasks like answering, questioning, brainstorming ideas, things, etc., etc. Okay, so we need to visit this. What is library? Inside the library, click on this. So when you create an image, you can create a PPT. When you create a map, then all these things are stored here, okay, in library section. But library is basically a collection of your work, okay. All these things are presented here, okay. If you want to visit your past history, then we click on this and visit your, okay, what is a Sora? Click on this Sora. See what is Sora. See, I basically I think I not 3D, okay. Okay, not 03 and 1998, okay. Next, you ask your birth, date of birth, okay. Explore Sora, welcome to Sora, turn idea into image and video, okay. Explore Sora. See, basically create a video, AI video, okay. See this, some example. You need to write a prompt and this create this, okay. Here also the options like I discuss later, okay. See this. What is a GPTs? Okay, click on this. Okay, this is one of the most important section. Okay, here you get all the features of ChatGPT that helps in you. I teach one every part in upcoming lecture. Okay, so say the topics. Here is the topics. What is the inside the writing section? Okay, see this. AI humanizer, song make the GPT. There is no need of song composer, director. I think you automatically generate your song. Okay, song script, user script, chat PRDII, product messenger, fully SEO optimization article in Kulap. Okay, if you are writer, then it helps too much presentation in this era of private job. We need to create a presentation in few seconds. Then you need to. Then this helps us photorealistic video AI whisper transcriber. Okay, for research analysis like PhD work and your when you are creating the YouTube, then you need to some data analysis. Then this section help you. Okay, I teach one by one. Okay, if you are belong to health field, medical student, and all these things. Okay, this therapist, physiotherapist. I think this is basically what things I am not surprised by seeing this all the example. You need to generate a logo, then you create your logo. Python, if you are programmer, you are engineering student, then like Python, you can easily create a simple. I give all the example: code, Copilot, software architect, okay, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Unreal Engine, Designer, GPT. Okay, all these things are available. It's a very useful feature of this. Okay. So that's all about in this lecture. Jai Hind.